Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Swati Verma Styles. So guys, if you are trying to come to Canada on the PR, there's some great news that I want to share with you. So let's get started. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel Swati Verma Styles, and we share content on the Canada immigration, Canada vlogs, fashion, lifestyle. So if this entices you, just subscribe to my channel Swati Verma Styles and hit the bell icon. Now, let's just quickly move into the video. So the Canadian government has recently released its 167th express entry draw, and it is the biggest draw where they have given 5,000 ITAs. And the CRS score has been 472 in this draw. So the good news is that it has dropped to 6 points. So the earlier draw that was there was on 5th November and the CRS score was 478. And before that, on 14th October, the CRS score was 471. So we do see that there is a downward trend. The slight issue or confusion around 5th November when this CRS score was increased to 478 was that maybe because of the French, of the additional French points, this is happening. And I've also shared a video on the importance of French in the express entry system now, so I will link it in the description below so you can see that. Any which ways, when the points increased to 478, we were all very people who want to come to Canada, we were all very skeptical on where the score will go. But there was a slight prediction that this might go low because if you've seen my previous video, IRCC has said that they are going to invite 1.2 million people over the span of 3 years. So for that, of course, they launched various schemes. Of course, they have said that temporary residents will be given various routes for immigration. You can see my other video for that. But also, we were predicting that the CRS needs to go low. Of course, it won't go very low, but yes, it did move down from 478 to 472, which is actually 6 points, do make a huge difference for people. I know for people who are stuck at, let's say, 474, 475. So this is such a good news. Also, for people who have not got their ITAs right now in this draw, you can still be hopeful because when the bigger draws are happening, so that means those number of files are getting removed from the pool and your files will be given preference provided you do have a particular amount of CRS score. So for example, during this ITA, the recent ITA, 5,000 files are already out of the pool. And this is also happening because the IRCC is already lagging behind its target for this year, which is actually 400,000 immigrants every year till 2023. So they are giving bigger draws so then they can process their files in the next 6 months, but at least they have to fulfill that target, that yearly target that they have. And not only this year, this will have to continue even next year because inviting 400,000 immigrants per year is a huge number. Also, another reason for these bigger draws is that we all know that the French language now fetches more marks in the express entry system in your CRS score, and the last CRS was increased to 478. So now in this particular draw, they did decrease the CRS score and increase the number of ITAs, kind of compensate for the non-French speakers. Also, we all can just predict that what can happen next, what can happen in the next draw based on all the news that IRCC gives. For example, because this news came that Canada is going to invite 1.2 million people over the period of 3 years till 2023. So that's why we kind of made this prediction that there can be things like maybe giving more routes to temporary residents, which actually happened, and of course increasing the number of ITAs that they issue and decreasing the CRS score. So this is what is happening, and don't quote me, I can't predict what IRCC will do, but still, looking at the trend, looking at the target that they have set out, it it does look like that they will continue doing bigger draws, and the CRS might drop till 470, because they have to meet that target. And they'll not only this year, they'll have to continue doing it in the coming years, because there's a huge target to meet. Also, if you are stuck at a particular score, so this is the time when you can actually try and look for how you can increase your score. Can you increase your work experience? Can you increase your English IELTS score? Can you increase your French score? So just work on it. For example, let's say you are stuck at 460, so just work at how you can increase those 10 points, because I think 470 is the figure that can be kept as a standard now. Again, just a prediction, but I think 470 is something that you need to aim for, because at that kind of a score you might just get an ITA, and I don't know, it might just drop below that as well. But to my knowledge, as per my prediction, I think it will be around 470. So this is the time to actually prepare for to increase your points for the express entry system, to put your file in the pool and keep on increasing your score, because the Canadian government has a huge target to meet, and this is the time to get lucky. All in all, it's a great news for people who are actually stuck at 471 or 475, and we all were assuming that this will further go up from 478 because of the because of launching of that French language points. But to our surprise, it decreased to 472, and a lot of people who were stuck have actually gone ITAs. So best of luck, and do like this video if you like my efforts, and subscribe to my channel to support my channel, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.